Hello everyone, welcome to the 10th episode of Unengineered.
Oh my
And
god.
yeah, we
We've
started
hit
this 11 weeks ago. We are still going strong. And we're going to talk about Bitcoin and what? Live
live
streaming,
streaming.
right?
We're
The
going to talk
future of
about.
live streaming and why everyone is getting into it recently.
Mhm,
Now that we are in
Exactly.
lockdown, content creators have found live works best for them because they get to interact with the audience. And we'll talk about more.
That's
We'll
right.
talk more about it. My bad.
You know who else is live
So
streaming? Unengineered is live streaming. Go check out.
yeah,
we
we have our live stream every
Friday.
Friday at 8:30, just after the episode releases. So you can come hang out with us, talk to us, tell us more about more topics that we should cover. You're more likely to cover those topics because those are given by people we interact with and stuff.
That's
So we
right.
see them first, and yeah, we just cool people to hang
It's a
out
lot of
with.
fun.
So come join us.
It's last live stream तो बहुत मजा आता है.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Atik has a lot of cool friends.
बहुत मजा आता है. Oh my god. ठीक है चलो आज शुरू करते हैं.
Huh.
We're going to talk about Bitcoin. So the thing is, I have no clue about Bitcoin. Okay, and it's been very popular for the last 2-3 years. Okay, and I still have zero. I know nothing. Literally, I know nothing about it. So I told others, please tell
You
us
know,
about it. Tell me about
the
it.
funny part is I thought I knew everything, and then yesterday I read a lot about it,
Oh
and
shit.
it's a mess. Basically, it's a
Oh, man.
mess.
Yeah, dude, it is a mess
And
because if it was a little bit organized, I would understand some of it, but I legit don't understand any of it.
Ari, the thing is, it's quite complicated the way it's made.
I don't know what mining a Bitcoin means. I don't know. I really don't know anything about it. I didn't know that you could earn Bitcoin just by staying at home and like racking up your electricity bill. I didn't know you could do that. If I knew, I would have started a long time back. Because
Yeah, everybody thinks about
electricity
yeah,
bill
you
वैसे
should
बहुत
have
ज़्यादा
started long time back.
हाँ yeah that's right that's right but
Okay, so Bitcoin का paper or stuff was first written and given by
अच्छा
Satoshi Nakamoto.
okay
And that name is his alias or something, like no one knows exactly who that guy is. Like you
oh
can't point to it. So no one knows him
so it's a
actually.
pen name it's like
There
a
are speculations
alias
कि एक person है वो, but yeah, there is no.
it could also be a group
Uh,
of people that's what I'm saying
yeah, it could also be a group of people.
yeah of course
So what is Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin is another form of cashless payment. Though it's quite similar to how credit card companies, Visa, MasterCard work.
okay
But the only thing different is it's decentralized. So there is no central entity like Visa, MasterCard processing your transaction.
oh
Your transactions are processed by this group of computers called the miners.
weird
So
okay
every time you make a transaction, these miners have to verify those transactions.
uh-huh.
Every time you swipe a credit card, the request goes to Visa or MasterCard or
बराबर
whatever that company is
बराबर
on your
बराबर
card, and they check, they move the इधर का account से उधर का account.
बराबर they change the details of your transaction
Huh. So that you can't spend the same money twice.
amount of money
They are
twice
responsible for it.
बराबर
But Bitcoin में, I could just take the ID of that Bitcoin. Each Bitcoin has an ID.
hmm.
And just send it twice, right?
समझा so okay got it you can just
to avoid
replicate the
that,
ID
miners are there. Huh,
oh
exactly.
okay
So
all right
while Bitcoin is anonymous, because every Bitcoin wallet is connected to the person with just one key. So you can have as
Sure.
many Bitcoin wallets as you can. You can
Yeah.
literally produce new Bitcoin wallets for every transaction. Every transaction is written on a public record. A public record, it's called the ledger. And
My
every
God.
transaction is written on it.
But
So
what is
even
this?
though you are anonymous, the transaction is public, everyone can see it.
God damn. So what are the details? What details can the public see? The amount? What? कहाँ से into
The
what?
amount कहाँ से कहाँ तक गया, like transaction में वही important होता है, amount कहाँ से कहाँ गया, कब गया, and ये
मतलब location, physical location की
no, physical location नहीं होता. Wallet का कोई
IP.
wallet has a physical
Yeah,
location,
Mac.
but it can't be reported to anything.
समझा
So it will say कि यहाँ से यहाँ तक गया, these coins were involved, and ये. Although Bitcoin mining is way more than that, I'll go more into it. This is the basic gist of it. This is the work of the miners.
Samjha. So the miners
And-
enable Bitcoin transactions. That's the gist, right?
Yeah, at the gist of it, it's that because there needs to be someone to process that transaction.
Barabar.
Right? Because
Exactly.
without that, the money can't be transferred.
Barabar.
Bitcoin miners do it basically on a basic level.
So I have a doubt.
So-
If there were no Bitcoin miners in the world, what would?
Well, technically, no one could verify a transaction, so it would never.
Would
if there
transactions
was
still
zero
take
Bitcoin
place?
miners, it would not work.
So Bitcoin would not work
If
without
even if
miners.
there is one Bitcoin miner, it would work.
Oh,
Even
so
if there is one Bitcoin
So
miner,
all
it
the
would work.
Bitcoin transactions in the world can be verified by one miner. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Will it take
Even if
some
there is
amount
one
of time?
miner,
Will it
right?
increase the load on him or something like that? Will that happen? What are
Coming to that.
Okay,
to
cool.
that, yeah, coming to that. So
Let's
see,
go.
the reward of these miners, what they get in return, because
Oh,
this
okay.
this takes some processing power. I'll come back to that. It's a complete mess, guys. Like I can't wait to tell you. So without the miners, they can't process the transaction. So for verifying 1 megabyte of transaction, see each transaction का ये अलग रहता है, size अलग रहता है. If I'm just
Okay, बराबर.
transferring little amount, उसका size कम रहेगा because there are less number of addresses to
Addresses.
worry about.
Got it,
Bitcoin
got
के
it. Understood.
IDs.
समझ-
sorry,
समझ.
my bad. So address 1 to address 2 जा रहा है and these are the IDs of the Bitcoins that are going.
बराबर.
So that takes a little amount of years. So 1 MB में कितना भी transaction होता है from 1 to 1000. Usually 1 नहीं रहता. It's more than that.
Yeah, of course. Sure.
So when it verifies these transactions, it has to create a hash. Now what's
Okay.
a hash? So hash is kind of a mathematical function which just goes one way. It's a one-way function. That's what पढ़ा होगा, I guess. Please.
One-way function.
So-
नहीं समझा मेरे को.
One-way function में if you input okay, what is a one-way function? One-way function में if you input some data into that function, it outputs a 64 digit का number.
अच्छा.
ठीक है.
Okay. Binary.
You can get the 64 digits का number. No, it's not binary. It's
Okay.
decimal, I think.
Okay. Cool.
Okay. So putting that data, you can get the hash. But with the hash, you can't get the data.
समझा.
That is a
Okay,
one-way
fine.
function.
All right.
So, looking at these transactions and generating a hash, modern computers can do it really quickly. Okay.
That's nice.
So, coming to the part where it takes all that processing power, I'll come to that in a minute. Let me just go over some facts. So, miners process the payment and in return, they get the reward. Bitcoin miners, for every 1 MB of data they process, that 1 MB of data is called a block, they are eligible to get a reward with the quantity of Bitcoin. The word eligible is more important here
Yeah.
because once there are so many miners, there are so many people processing the same payments. So
Okay.
not only do you have to process them right, you have to be the first one to do it.
Okay. Got it. Damn.
And here you'll see a problem because there are multiple people processing
Yeah.
the same payment.
Yeah, I definitely see.
And the first one to do it gets the reward.
Reward.
Although you might ask, generating a hash is pretty easy. Like your phones do it all the time when doing stuff and
Okay.
verifying stuff.
Okay.
So what's taking so much processing power? So coming back to the reward, okay? So to process every block of data, you get a reward, which is a Bitcoin or whatever it might be set to be.
Okay.
And for every transactions, as much I send the money to Atik, so my transaction will get taxed a bit, thodu sa, some percentage.
Barabar.
That is
Barabar.
the price I have to pay to the miners to process the transaction.
Exactly. This is the real life example of like a 2.5% that we give for a credit card swipe or debit card swipe. That's
हाँ,
the processing
kind
fees.
of वैसे.
That's a real life
Processing
example
fee.
of this. Yeah.
So the miners, when they process that 1 MB of stuff, they get two things. They are eligible for two things: the reward and the transaction fee.
Okay. Got it.
So coming to the reward, how do they earn the reward. So there are two people. I'll explain it in the form of two miners in the pool,
Okay.
and they process these transactions, okay, and they generate a hash. Their hashes are similar, and generating this hash is not a big deal.
Okay.
Doesn't take a lot of processing for that.
Cool.
What this Bitcoin ka system is, after generating this hash, so the way hash function works is, if you add even little amount of data to it, ekdam chotu sa extra data, your own data, the hash changes completely. Like you can't relate the data to ye ki, you can't predict ki
So you can't
data
even
ye hoga.
you can't corrupt, and you can't afford it to be corrupted. That's what I'm saying. Corrupt.
Come to that.
Okay, fine, cool.
It's not corrupting per se. It's just that even if you manipulate it thoda sa,
समझा.
it changes so much कि others will reject it.
समझ गया.
The data.
Okay.
So
It's
that
very
is
sensitive.
where you can't hack it. You can't hack Bitcoin because there are so many people doing the same thing at once कि अगर तेरा गलत रहा
Oh, damn.
तो वो सब reject कर देंगे.
The
तेरा
verification will fail.
solution. हाँ. Yeah.
Okay.
तो तेरा solution reject हो जाएगा.
That's nice. Got it.
Although to hack Bitcoin, what you will have to do is there is a pool, okay, and
Okay.
everyone is getting a percentage of it.
Barabar,
So the
right.
more people come, the percentage gets diluted.
Decrease. Yeah.
So if you get 51% of the pool, control में 51%,
It's a lot. Okay.
you'll be the verifying entity
समझा.
because you have the majority. So if you
बराबर.
put forward a manipulated block, everyone will have to accept it because बाकी सबका reject हो जाएगा. Because you have 51% of the control.
Damn.
This is called the 51% hack.
God damn.
If you have 51% of the pool, you can be basically whatever you want.
Oof, okay, got it. In that case, Bitcoin does not become, what do you call it, decentralized. You are the person that making it central, right? It's central to you.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Technically, if you hack it that way. But Bitcoin has become so big that it is very impossible to
It's
get
difficult.
51%.
51% is very difficult right now.
Like it's quite impossible. That's why it's so hard. It's kind of hard to hack the blockchain tech because there are so many verifications happening at the same time
Oh.
with so many people that you'll have to hack everyone.
Oh, that's what blockchain
And
is? It's
so-
related to blockchain also?
Yeah, that's
Damn.
the blockchain tech where the system is decentralized instead of being a one central entity. That's the blockchain tech.
Shit. It's that simple. Wow. Thanks for clearing it out for me. I was very confused about that concept also. I was like, why is blockchain and cryptocurrency so connected? Now I know why. Welcome to the Anandjit podcast, guys. This is where you learn cool stuff.
Coming back to the reward wala process. Okay. So remember the hash we talked about? That is basically a hexadecimal number. 64 is ka.
Right, okay.
So you might be asking, Advait, why do Bitcoin miners need so much energy and processing power? What are they processing? Because these hashes are very easy to generate.
Yeah, 1 MB,
You can
right?
literally write a Python code chotu sa and it will generate the hash.
Generate a hash.
Coming back to the point where after processing the transactions, you are just eligible for the reward.
Right.
So there is one more condition that you have to satisfy. First condition is you have to be the first one to do it. And the second condition is the Bitcoin system has a target hash, okay? So hash is just a number, okay?
Oh.
The miners have to guess a number, okay? This is all guesswork. Have to guess a number that can be added to the original data, the transaction ka data. They have to guess a number that is added to the original data, jisse that hash ka number is below a certain limit.
समझा.
So, for example, this is just a system. मैं अतीक को बोल रहा हूँ कि ये data है. You have to compress it to a number, and that number should be less than 500.
समझा मैं. बराबर.
So the closer the better.
Okay.
Like 499 होगा ये.
समझा.
4898 होगा वो भी चलेगा.
समझा.
This is what we call the difficulty. That
Okay.
you have to add a single integer or some number to
My
the original
God.
data, so it's below a target hash.
समझा.
So
God damn.
it, on an average, it takes a Bitcoin system 10 minutes to find that number. So
That's
the-
a lot.
so much amount of processing power is just used to guess that hash. Like
Shit.
maximum amount of
Oh,
time
shit.
guessing में ही
I don't
सारा
believe
energy
this.
जा रहा है.
This is crazy.
And since
my God.
since hash is a one-way function, after getting an output, you can predict what to change to get a different output. So you can just
Oh, shit.
guess it.
It's
You
random.
can't just mathematically do it.
Oh my god.
It's random.
Oh my god.
But the guesses are limited. It's a limited guess. There
Oh,
are
shit.
unlimited guesses, but they are in trillions.
That makes it difficult.
Do you know about lottery groups?
Lottery groups?
So, yeah, these are a group of people. What they do is they form a huge group. Okay.
All
They form
right.
a huge group,
Alright. I think I see where this is
and
going.
all of them buy a lottery ticket.
Mhm, yeah.
And what they do is they say ki even if one of us win the lottery, we'll distribute the money.
Yeah. Wow.
So that way everyone gets something a lot of times.
Nice. Okay.
So what these Bitcoin miners have done is they've just pulled together. So they can find the guess wala number faster and they can distribute the reward.
Apes together strong.
Exactly.
Nice,
So
yeah.
together they become stronger and they distribute the Bitcoin reward.
Samjha.
So
Nice.
the idea behind this is once you pool together, you essentially make a faster computer, like one
Barabar.
single very fast computer.
Nice.
The faster your computer is, the faster you can guess.
Right.
And the faster you can guess increases the
Chances of
you
getting a right
Bitcoin.
guess.
Yeah, you getting it's called nonce. NONCE, the number which you have to add to get the hash
Okay.
below a certain number.
Samjha.
So you have to guess it. And the faster you can guess stuff, the more likely you are to get the hash below the target hash.
Barabar. Samjha मैं.
The system is made that on an average ये पूरा चीज करने को 10 minutes लगेगा. So these are 10-minute lotteries basically. कि each 10 minute में एक Bitcoin कहीं ना कहीं assign होगा
Oh
ही.
shit. Nice. Okay. Got it.
So these are mining pools which are trying to guess this, and the first one to guess it gets a reward and gets a transaction fee. But here's the bad part. जो दूसरा person who was guessing it, उसका सारा energy is wasted.
Barabar.
Because all the money and profits went to him.
Okay. Yeah. Barabar. That's right.
And here is where I see the flaw in the system. You're wasting so much energy because guessing those hashes takes a lot of energy. There are trillions of possible numbers. to go
Exactly.
through.
Oh my god. इसलिए मेरी सुन के फट गया. I'm like,
And
you are
there is no
guessing
mathematical
something. Exactly. You're guessing something that is random. How many tries will that take you? That's insane.
Exactly. Although it is
absolutely
random, given the same amount of data, the hash will always be the same.
समझा नहीं.
So if you put Atik Kurchi in that function and it generates a hash.
Okay.
And if I put Atik Kurchi in that function and it generates a hash, those hashes will be equal.
हाँ वो तो ठीक है. वो तो obvious है.
Exactly. So the function will return the same amount. The random part is you don't know what to put to get the hash below a certain number.
समझा.
So here's the problem I see. You're wasting so much energy.
That's right.
Bitcoin mining, at the base of it is winner takes all.
हाँ.
Wala concept.
Yeah.
And US showed us that is not the best concept in the world.
Oops. That's nice.
So
Firing shots at nations. Are we? Nice.
okay. So the system आगे का part, so it gets worse.
My god.
The system is made in such a way that to guess this and take the reward, it would approximately take 10 minutes. So, जैसे Bitcoin miners का processing power increases, they pool together, they bring new hardware.
Okay.
The system makes it difficult for you to guess. So, I'll share the difficulty wala part. So, wait a minute. So, I'll tell Atik, guess a number between 0 and 500, which is below 500. So, you have to put in I'll give you the condition ki the hash should be below 500, samajh. So, you have 0 to 499 numbers to go through.
बराबर.
कोई भी चलेगा.
Right.
But if I tell you ki the hash should be between 0 and 10 only, so you have just 9 numbers to work with. You have to guess the correct integers to put in to get just 9 numbers.
Oh, I get it. So
So it becomes harder because the
समझ गया.
possibilities are less.
Very
तभी.
okay. So the possibilities are less. So we have to be very careful when adding numbers, right? So it does not exceed that.
Yeah, careful as in you're just guessing at this point. Like there is no guess.
समझा मैं.
You have to guess the right number.
Okay.
Do you see 0 और 599 0 और 500 के बीच में 499 numbers
हाँ,
हैं.
right.
0 और 10 के बीच में just 9
9
numbers.
numbers.
So there are 499 possible answers.
Right,
there are
right,
9
right.
possible answers.
Right. समझा. That's
So
right.
you get that is called the difficulty.
And
So this difficulty increases as soon as someone is capable enough of doing it on an average 10 minutes से कम में.
oh, so the more powerful your
So if
system
you
gets,
see a graph,
the more difficult it is to.
the more powerful the Bitcoin miners are, the difficult. And you see the problem here. It's a continuous game,
My God.
and and these are kind of worthless arithmetical equations.
Yeah.
Like solving this will get you a Bitcoin if you do it first, but बाकी सबका power is wasted.
True. My God.
So you see a problem. So yesterday I was thinking about it. Q. So one possible reason I came up with is to make it hard to earn bitcoins. अगर बस transaction verify करने से bitcoin मिलता, then
Right.
everyone would do it. Everyone would get.
Right. That's right.
But here's where Satoshi Nakamoto thought about it.
Genius.
The number of bitcoins, maximum bitcoins in the system can be just 21 million. उसके बाद you can't make more bitcoins. It's not possible. And
All right.
it is predicted that in the year 2140,
Okay.
2140,
My God.
the last bitcoin will be mined. Yeah.
Whoa, what the heck?
The reason it will take so long is because जैसे जैसे आगे जाते हैं, the difficulty will increase so much कि it won't be profitable to mine.
Sheesh. Oh my God. Yo, this is crazy.
This
Wow,
is crazy
okay.
complicated. Like,
It is quite complicated.
and the reward which you get for guessing the right number to put
Will
in the hash
decrease.
function
It
to
will
get the
decrease.
hash below a certain year decreases on an average every 4 years. It halves. It decreases when it halves every 4 years.
God.
So up every 210,000 blocks, which are 1 MB blocks, it halves. So on an average every 4 years, वो half होता है.
Oh, hey.
So
Why
you see the problem here.
I don't understand. Why would he make a system like this? Why does Satoshi make this?
One knows.
My God.
But
Some
what I
people-
don't get is
Huh.
why is everyone following it? It is taking so much of energy to get something trivial.
Yeah. I guess I don't know.
Like there could be a better. So this difficulty, the only reason the difficulty increases, it's because
more people are
वो
coming.
10 minutes रख रहे हैं उनको constantly.
Acha.
So the system wants to keep it in 10 minutes
बराबर,
के लिए
बराबर.
to process a block.
समझा.
So that's the only reason the difficulty keeps on increasing. And if you see, there is a graph ऐसा processing power का and difficulty का. It's ऐसा 1 second में difficulty increase हो जाता है ऐसे. These are steps. तो वैसे difficulty increase होता रहता है.
My God.
So it's a complete mess. And
Some people,
they're using so much of energy. Like, so
Yes,
there was an
yes.
article in 2018. This was a 2018 article,
Okay.
from The Economist, which said Bitcoin miners are using 22 terawatt hours of energy per year. Google, on the other hand, in 2015 used just 5.7 terawatts. Pura Google.
What the heck? That's
So miners are consuming almost 4 times as much as energy. जो Google ने 2015 में. These values are थोड़ा ये, but they give you a gist of how much energy is being used to just solve useless arithmetic
to
equations.
just guess numbers. Just guessing.
And that's
numbers.
not even kind of solving them. It's just
You just
guessing a right number
exactly.
to
You're
get them
just
below
guessing
the
a random number. You're guessing a random number. Man, Satoshi, I think he just wanted to see the world burn. I think at this point, because this is a very pointless system. Honestly, it's
मैं भी वही बोल रहा था.
nobody is making a profit.
I mean, I
of
think
mining.
there could be a better system. There is this concept of Oh, this is getting more and more complex, guys.
Shit.
The concept of Genesis block. Okay, what's the Genesis block? Genesis block is the first wala mind, which Satoshi Nakamoto mined himself, herself, themselves, whatever.
Nice.
हमें difficulty इतना easy था कि you could just do it on the paper
हाँ.
and find the ये.
Nice.
So as soon as more miners kept coming, the difficulty increased. So पहले you could mine bitcoins on your laptop, on a spare laptop, and it would work. Then the difficulty increased to the point where it was profitable, and the way it's calculated is you can start with your laptop, okay? You can start mining with your laptop, no problem. It's just that your chance of winning the lottery will be so less because of the processing power is so less that it won't be profitable. The amount of energy you'll be spending won't equal the amount of it won't be profitable.
समझा
basically.
मैं. So you're spending more money to
You're
earn
spending
less
more
money.
energy. Yeah, exactly. You're spending more dollars or rupees or whatever it is to get less Bitcoin.
Right. So you're just running at a loss at this point.
So, yeah, you're running at a loss because you get it right. This is basically a lottery system at the base of it.
It is.
Okay. समझ मैं अकेला जा रहा हूँ lottery system में. I just buy one lottery ticket. But Atik is with a group of 10,000 people who each bought their lottery ticket and decided to share the
Yeah,
reward.
that's essentially what a Bitcoin
So if I
pool
get
is.
it right,
Yeah.
So if I get it right, I'll be rich as fuck. But the chance
Chances
of
are
me
very
getting
less.
the correct lottery ticket is so less that it is more profitable to go with Atika system because there are 10,000 people.
सतोशी भैया क्या है?
So-
कौन लोग क्या है?
उसका Atika winning chance is 10,000 divided by 10,001 because there are 10,001 tickets.
बराबर.
एक इसमें 10,000 लोग मेरे इसमें.
बराबर.
So it's 10,000 by 10,001. मेरा winning का chance is 1 upon 10,001. So the probability becomes so less that it's not profitable or logical. Although if you get lucky, I don't know.
You have to be super lucky.
So okay, you might be thinking, after the year 2140 क्या होगा? Because all the bitcoins are mined.
बराबर.
अभी क्यों करेंगे ये लोग?
Okay.
So तभी only a few entities will be alive who will be processing these transactions, and they will just earn the tax which gets cut तेरे से
समझो.
for every transaction.
There's no reward.
So तभी ये lottery game नहीं होगा. I guess.
Boring.
मतलब तभी the only lottery game will be कौन पहले transaction process करता है कि उसके नीचे आ जाए, and you will just get the percentage tax of
processing
all those
fee you will get,
transactions.
not the reward. You won't get the reward.
Not the reward. There is
no reward.
All the money is gone.
Have
Like,
been mined.
all the money is mine.
Yeah.
Okay, so you might be thinking, okay, why are we wasting so much energy? And I have been thinking the same thing all night. And
Is this
one of
people-
the ways I came up with is gold mine का ये है ये. To extract
Concept.
gold, you require a lot of energy, a lot of
Definitely.
the similar concept. Although gold extract करके you get something, even though कल gold का value 0 हो गया, you have something in your hand.
Right.
इधर Bitcoin का value 0 होने का बहुत ज़्यादा chance है, and you don't even have something in your
Oh
hand.
my god. That's right.
So I just don't get it. Why are people following this system? They are wasting so
My
much
God.
energy. And if you think it's not wasting, I'll just put it in another way. What they are doing is, मैं बोलूँगा the target is 500, and you have to sum up 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Okay, the sum is definitely more than
500.
the target A, which is 500. Now you have to guess an integer which will bring it less than 500. So in this case, it's clear, right? ये क्या बोलते हैं? You have to put a negative number.
बराबर. Yeah, we have to put a negative number. Right.
Now I'll tell you. These are the numbers 100, 200, 300, 400. You don't know the operation between them. You have to put it in a function which will give you an answer. Now you have to guess your own integer. That will make it come below 500. So you don't know what the You
Samjha.
basically know the function. It's just that
Samjha.
putting a little amount of data changes in ways that you can't predict it.
Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, the concept
So
is pretty,
now
pretty
the
clear. It's
only
pretty
option
clear
you
now.
have is guessing the right numbers. कि ये डाल के देता हूँ, ये डाल
This
के
is
देता हूँ,
so
ये डाल के देता हूँ, ये
ridiculous.
डाल के देता हूँ.
This is the ultimate ridiculous.
Exactly.
Oh my god. Very nice. If you are
Now,
mining
if
Bitcoin,
any one
guys,
of you has-
please get a job.
I mean, that's the point. It's a side job.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
have to just click start and it will do itself.
So this is software
You just
that
have to pay an electricity.
does that.
Bro, मैं legit not even kidding. Every time I see something tech related, I'm like, मैं ये कैसे बनाऊंगा? And I have no clue.
Oh
Like
shit.
I'm clueless
Oh my
how
god.
someone makes this. Like there's some pretty smart people who made this, but
Hmm.
coming back to the point where you could mine stuff with your laptops,
Hmm.
it became this. You could do it on paper basically starting with. Then you could do it on laptops with a cheap netbook side mein. Then the difficulty became harder. Then you could do it on your GPUs, the gaming graphics processing units.
Hmm.
Then it became so hard that it wasn't profitable. So people made these machines, okay? After
Okay.
it became so
Application
hard that
specific
you
machines.
can't mine on bitcoins. Yeah,
Mhm.
they started building application specific machines. These machines have just one job. Okay,
Yeah.
guess
Guess
numbers.
numbers.
जिससे hash वो target hash के नीचे आएगा.
Oh boy.
They have one job. They just keep guessing stuff. They take a lot of energy. They heat up a lot, so
Oof,
they have to cool
got
काफी
that.
ज़्यादा, and they
Got
generate
that.
a lot of noise.
That's crazy.
So and these cost so much. These cost like $2,000 एक machine के लिए. So what these miners did is they bought buildings. They put ये सारे machines in those buildings. A building full of computers just trying to guess a number which is worthless because it's like making a problem and solving it.
This
It's
is
just that you're just getting something virtual out of it,
this is so
which might die soon.
this is so
and-
difficult to process.
Even that became unprofitable, buying the building and putting those many machines in it. So they moved to Arctic, जहाँ electricity cost कम and cooling ज़्यादा है. So you will have to spend less on it.
अरे बाप रे, कौन है ये लोग?
You're seeing the length these people
Dedication
are going
देख क्या है लोग का?
to earn
Dedication.
Bitcoin. हाँ भाई.
भाई
Although अगर कल Bitcoin profitable हुआ, like if its price shoots up
Shoots
काफी
up.
ज़्यादा.
yeah, but then
They are
again
just
that
waiting
will
for
be.
it to get stable and काफी ऊपर.
I feel कि the higher the value of Bitcoin gets, the more people will just want it and just become miners. So again, the pool, the size that
हाँ, exactly.
it's pointless, guys.
That's the problem.
This is a perfect example.
It's not pointless. It's just that even if 10 people want it, the system works. So
Right.
even if very few people want it, the system works. So as long as 0 people don't want it, the system will keep working. It's the same thing.
Right.
अगर everyone decides कि कल से gold useless रहेगा,
Hmm.
gold will become useless.
Got-
It's
that's
just that
right.
even
That's
if a
right.
small amount of people value that gold, someone can sell it to them.
That's right.
Coming back to something more, if you have more doubts over Bitcoin, I'm ready to solve them. I spent so much time thinking about this.
God.
कि I have lost faith in humanity at this point. कि
Same, dude. What the heck is this system? It is. Oh my God. If people could use that time and that energy to do something way more profitable. Yeah. Just yesterday. हाँ.
The reason it works is because starting में इतना easy था. Starting में you could just
हाँ.
mine netbook से.
Yes.
And I think what is gonna happen is after searching for profitability, people are just gonna work for reducing their losses.
If there is one thing that I learned that gave me a lot of return on investment for my time, right? It was WordPress. Okay? So that's what I'm gonna tell you to do. People who are thinking of becoming Bitcoin miners, just don't do it. Okay? Use that power, use that energy. Learn WordPress, you'll earn a lot of money. Okay? Making websites for people, and everybody needs a website because everybody's online. And yes, just make websites, earn a lot of money. Okay? Don't do Bitcoin mining.
That was completely unrelated.
Don't do Bitcoin mining. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay? Don't waste. You don't have that kind of time. Okay?
I mean, you can do it. It's just that it's not profitable.
It's not
anymore
profitable.
to do it at home.
Yeah. At home.
Yeah.
That's a good point. Phew.
If you're in a college dorm, where electricity is paid by someone else, then
Hmm.
but the chances
We
of
don't
you
know.
being a college hostel room are quite less right now.
Nice, good point. ठीक है. कोई है तो we're sorry, but take care.
I
Yeah.
used to see these setups.
Yeah.
And they used to pick kids जिन्होंने ऐसा साइड में बेड डाल के रखा है, बस ऐसा एक बेड है and they're literally crammed up in a room.
बाकी पूरा
And
room
पूरा room is filled with ऐसा
GPUs.
GPUs.
Oh my god.
Because it's free electricity for them.
Shit.
So in that
God
way,
damn.
as long as you're making up the cost of those GPUs, उसके बाद का everything is profit, pure profit.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense. That makes wow, that's nice. Huh.
So
Wow.
stuff like this makes Bitcoin valuable
Ah, shit.
and profitable.
Right. Fair enough.